You will probably start having a serious competitor to the banana bread, as this vegan pumpkin bread recipe ticks all the boxes that banana bread does. Easy, moist, delicious, and as a bonus it has no egg or milk added. Let's get started with this healthy pumpkin bread recipe. In a bowl, combine pumpkin puree along with brown sugar. I made the pumpkin puree by just pan roasting them to get a jammy texture, which helps in this recipe. To this, 1/4 cup oil, 4 tablespoons of applesauce, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract is added. Mix it well until it's all combined. Then, we add the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Because it's pumpkin season, let's add some spices like cinnamon, dry ginger, nutmeg, and allspice powder. Now you can also replace this with just for 1 or half a tablespoon of fresh pumpkin spice powder. Lastly, we add in a pinch of salt. Fold the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients gently, and you don't want to overdo this step as your bread would end up very dense. Preheat your oven to 375 Fahrenheit and take a bread pan and pour over the batter. Now you would find this batter to be very thick, quite exactly the way we want it. Bake them for 40 minutes or until the toothpick comes clean. If you've been enjoying this video, give it a like and comment down on what are you planning to make with pumpkins this year. And subscribe and click on that bell icon as well to get notified on new uploads. To upgrade this moist vegan pumpkin bread, I cooked down some oat milk with cornstarch and some sugar. Mix them all and thicken the sauce on the stove. Now adjust the quantity depending on how runny or thick you need. Pour this creamy dairy-free frosting over the bread and top it with pumpkin seeds for that extra crunch, else it can be easily mistaken for it being a banana bread. So why you need to make this easy moist vegan pumpkin bread recipe? 3 reasons. It's delicious, it's healthy, and it does not have bananas, so it's really helpful for people who have banana phobia. Fear of bananas. I mean, it does exist. Some people just can't stand the smell of bananas. And maybe the most convincing reason for health purposes is it has no butter, no egg, no milk. Now, did I convince you to try this recipe? If yes, then maybe check out this easy, crunchy fried oyster mushroom recipe or a dairy-free dip recipe for those nachos or chips. And until next time, see you later and stay safe.